Join me as I solve this question on enthalpies of formation from a previous year's contest. So in this question, it says for the reaction below, the enthalpy of formation under standard condition is minus 879.6 kilojoules. Now it's telling us the enthalpy of formation for ammonia and for water. Now for any element, the enthalpy of formation is 0. So this is actually 0. Okay, and then it wants to know what is the enthalpy of formation for N2O. So our equation for the change in enthalpy for this reaction at standard conditions when using enthalpies of formation is equal to the sum of all of our enthalpies of formation for our products subtracted by the sum of all of the enthalpies of formation for our reactants. Okay, so the reaction is minus 879.6 kilojoules. And this is going to equal, let's start with our products. First we have 4 moles of nitrogen, but nitrogen is 0. The enthalpy of formation for any element just on its own is 0. So that's 4 moles times 0. So that's just 0. Then we're doing the sum of all of them. So water, so we have 3 moles of water times its enthalpy of formation, which is given as minus 241.8. So minus 241.8 kilojoules per mole. Then we have to subtract. Now I won't have room here, so I'm going to write it down here. For all of the reactants. So for ammonia, we have 2 moles of ammonia times by, we're given its enthalpy of formation right here. So minus 45.9 kilojoules per mole. And then we have 3 moles of N2O, and that is what we are looking at. So 3 moles, and then whatever its enthalpy of formation is, which is what we want to find. So let's simplify this a little bit. So we have minus 879.6 kilojoules. Now this first large bracket, we can punch all that into our calculator. Well, that is all just 0. But 3 times minus 241.8 kilojoules is minus 725.4 kilojoules. And then we're going to minus, now this minus is going to distribute into both these terms in the bracket. So minus 3 moles times the enthalpy of formation. And minus, there's a minus here in this term as well, so that double negative gives us a positive, and 2 times 45.9 is 91.8 kilojoules. Okay, so now we just have to solve for that enthalpy of formation. So we can bring this term to the other side of the equation, so it's positive. So we have 3 times delta HF is equal to, let's bring this term to this side of the equation. Then we can add them all up. So we'll have positive 879.6 minus 725.4 plus 91.8 gives us 246 kilojoules. And when we divide by 3, we get the enthalpy of formation is 82.0 kilojoules per mole. So our answer is D. Now, if this helped you and you're preparing for this contest, which is coming up soon, make sure you check out my channel's playlist, because I have a playlist of a whole bunch of different questions you can practice on to get ready for your Chem13 contest. Good luck!